We're rolling.
Alrighty, Sharp Customs. We're rolling. I promised a video of this thing a couple days ago. We're just getting around to it. The weather here in Ontario was beautiful today. Kind of busy. Now it's raining. But we thought we'd bring the quarter scale Chevy chassis out anyway. We'll give it a run. Don't know how good it's gonna run. I think it'll run okay. We're gonna run it on some asphalt, and then we're gonna maybe make our way over across the grass to the dirt, see if we can do some crazy donuts with it. So share, like, subscribe, comment. Sharp Customs. I'm gonna fire this thing up and we're just gonna go for it. And we're probably gonna do a double feature tonight because we got that other project we were working on, the 30 coupe, the purple one with flames. We got the small block in it. We've had it fired up, and I'd like to post a video of that thing running. We're running it with open headers. Sounds crazy cool. So yeah, let's go this way. Brakes work good. Seems to do okay. I'm barely giving it any throttle. I think we have a little issue. I think we'll see what the issue is. So, we do have an issue. Come on over, have a look. I'm gonna put my glasses on. Seems we've sheared the cotter pin to the drive shaft right here. Actually, we did more than shear it. You can see we're running a I'm running a, basically it's a weed eater unit for the square shaft. Not 100% if I can fix it on the fly here. I kind of thought that might happen. This one was a cast one. It was not a weldable piece. Not sure if we're going to be able to fix it on the fly here. You know, we're doing some crazy donuts. It's pretty cool. We've got options. We've always got options. We've always got solutions. I've got a pocket full of little cotter pins and hitch pins and what have you. I just might have something so we can, I don't know, maybe do a few more spins in the rain. Not really sure. Kind of want to keep this video going. It was working so good. I get this funny feeling though that I'm going to put one of these in. Kind of thinking it's just going to fly right out. It's just like a little mini hitch pin. I don't think it's really going to last because of the part being busted. Would have been nice if we had, you know, kind of thinking I'm going to have to find another weed eater little square fitting. Find one that's not a cast made one. The other one on the back, it's welded on, it holds up very well. Let's try it. Let's see what happens. So we're gonna call that a success because it did do some crazy wild donuts in the water. It does work good. It just needs, you know, needs a little tweaking on the drive shaft. Maybe a lot of tweaking. But anyhow, yeah, other than dropping out the drive shaft and my disc brake, I thought it worked pretty good. So for all the quarter scalers, I know they're waiting to see the 50s body on the chassis. So am I. Trying to get there, just really busy. But, you know, till our double feature later, Sharp Customs, like, subscribe, share, comment. Later.